Banange kipa. Ndio amefika. Oro. Koba kingine ya black team. Ya black.
Whoever survives the last whistle wins the game, and kudos to the boys, because in as much as they knew their work was quite cut out, and they came out at the end of the day to win the game.
I think it's just a learning for us. When we get to our finals and we get that to that stage, we take our chances. So congratulations to KCB boys for winning it today. We'll still go back to the drawing board. We still need to correct a few things that we saw today and be able to come back stronger when we go down to Mombasa.